Hello guys, welcome to Superviral Reviews. Today we are going to talk about Creaite, and if you want to get this you can go by clicking on the link given below. Tired of wasting so much time and money on content? Revealed new artificially intelligent web app writes perfectly readable content for you in any major niche in under 90 seconds. Which allows you to get more traffic, make more profit and dominate your niche without wasting any time writing a single word yourself. Let's watch this video to know exactly what is Creaite.
Hey guys, Josh Zamora here, and I know we're all busy, so let's just jump right to the point, shall we? On this page, I'm going to reveal our new artificially intelligent web app that produces perfectly readable content in any major niche in under 90 seconds, which will allow you to get more traffic, make more profit, and dominate your niche without wasting time writing a single word of content yourself ever again. Talk about an unbelievable promise, right? There's no way this can be real. Is it truly possible, or are we just hyping things up? Is it really possible for an artificially intelligent machine to produce quality, engaging content in the most profitable niches in under 90 seconds? Is it really possible for you to not be able to tell whether this content was created by a machine or by a human? Is it really possible for you to never have to write content yourself ever again? Is it really possible for you to never have to spend money on hiring a content writer ever again? And finally, is it really possible for you to get access to this new and groundbreaking AI platform for pennies on the dollar during this charter members grand opening? Well, that's exactly what we're here to reveal to you today. On this page, we're going to show you how you can have our AI web app write all of your content for you in 50 of the hottest and most profitable niches known to online marketing. And you'll be able to see how it'll write quality articles for you in under 90 seconds each. I'm talking about 100% unique content that will give you the power to get more traffic, make more profit, dominate your niche, and spend more time enjoying your hard-earned money. Because let's face it, content is king. And this is just as true today as it was 5 years ago, 10 years ago, 20 years ago, even 30 years ago. You can't really build a business or survive in business without content. It's one of the main strategies that all businesses use to provide value, build up trust, get more traffic, get more subscribers, generate more profit, get more rankings, and much, much more. In fact, quality content is more important now than it has ever been. With everyone being able to quickly access any and all content on demand, you really have less than a second to captivate them or lose them. However, actually creating content is a huge pain in the ass, right? Let's be honest here. Most of us avoid creating content because it's a huge pain in the ass, even though we know that we should be doing it. Trust me, I know from first-hand experience. When I first started online, I had to write all my content myself. I'd spend hours upon hours writing and revising my content for each one of my sites. And I had 12 different sites. And I would also write weekly articles targeting different keywords and audiences to keep my sites growing with fresh new content so I can keep getting more and more traffic. This would eat up so much of my time that could have been spent on more productive and profitable tasks. Thankfully, after months of having to write all my content, my site started to bring in consistent profit. Hence why content is so important. The more content and value you can provide to any specific niche, the more money you can make, period. So logically, the first thing I did when my site started to make money was to invest all my profit into outsourcing my content generation. However, it did not take long to realize that outsourcing content comes with its own set of nightmares. Let me quickly share a big secret with you that most people will not tell you about hiring a content writer. All the really good content writers are really expensive. These are the elite writers, which will require zero to very little editing per article they write for you. Be prepared to pay $25 to $50 or more for just one 400 to 500 word article. All the cheap content writers will send you content that will require so much editing on your part that it would have been better for you to have just written the article yourself. And finally, all the in-between content writers, which means decent articles at decent prices, are so busy that you're going to have to wait at least 10 to 14 days to get just one article written for you. And if you've been online for any amount of time, you've probably experienced some of this yourself. You know, things like spending endless hours in front of the computer writing articles. Who really wants to do this? Paying hundreds or even thousands of dollars to an article writer to write content for you? Who really has that kind of budget when starting out? Having a content writer disappear on you after you already paid them? This one really sucks and happens way too often. However, today I have some great news for you. We have changed content creation forever and made it easier for everyone to get more traffic, rankings, and make more profit. And after many months of hard work, we've been able to accomplish our goal. What you're about to see is going to be unlike anything you've ever seen before. We are now in the era where artificial intelligence is booming and growing at lightning speed. Artificial intelligence is one of the fastest growing industries right now, and for good reason. We all want things to be easier, faster, and more profitable, right? We all want to get results now. And if you're anything like me, we also like it when things are done for us. So we decided to blend the power of artificial intelligence with the power of content creation. And after many months of hard work, we've been able to accomplish our goal. We have created the best done-for-you content creation platform to ever hit the JVZOO marketplace. You will now be able to have unique, perfectly readable, human-like content created for you in the most profitable niches at the push of a button. And no, this is not a content scraper, this is not a content spinner, this is a complete artificially intelligent content creation engine that will write 100% unique content for you every single time that will pass a CopyScape check with flying colors. It's like having your own personal content writer ready to write for you for any topic at any time for pennies of what it'll cost you to use a human writer. And faster than any human can ever write, guaranteed. You'll be able to have an entire perfectly readable article written for you in under 90 seconds. And to make things even better, you will not be able to tell the difference between human written content and content written by our AI writer. I know, it still sounds unbelievable, but it's true. Allow me to introduce you to Creaite. Creaite is like having your own professional content writer at your side at all times. With Creaite, you'll be equipped with the ability to have perfectly written content created for you at any time, and it'll be written in under 90 seconds. You'll be able to get more traffic, more sales, and more profit by leveraging the most powerful strategy ever, content marketing. You'll be able to get more rankings by giving Google exactly what it wants, constant quality content. You'll never have to spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars to have content written for you. You'll never have to worry about the quality of the content you'll be getting from a writer whose native language is not English. You'll be able to provide more value to your target audience and convert more visitors into subscribers, and much, much more. Plus, we've simplified the entire process of getting high quality content written for you into 3 simple steps. Step 1 is to log into our web-based dashboard. Step 2 is to tell Creaite what niche you want your content in and watch it work its magic right before your eyes. And step 3 is to copy, edit, download, or share your content on any site you'd like. Talk about awesome, right? We've created the first and best artificially intelligent content creation system to ever hit JVZOO. This is real artificial intelligence combined with the power of content creation. However, this is more of a see to believe kind of product, right? So at this point, I invite you to go below this video and check out the live demo so you can see exactly how Creaite works. You'll be able to see multiple articles that Creaite has written for us. You'll learn about the insane bonuses that we're offering during this charter members grand opening. And finally, you'll be able to secure access to Creaite at a huge launch special discount. And if there's one thing I can guarantee with 100% certainty, it's that we've literally created the easiest way for you to have quality, engaging content created for you in a matter of seconds. I guarantee that you've never seen anything like what you're about to see. Plus, one of the bonuses that you'll learn about below is so valuable that we were not planning to offer it publicly, and we may decide to pull it down at any time. So make sure you go below this video, check out everything that we're offering, and then go ahead and choose the package that's right for you.
So don't waste your time and get instant access now. Link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for more information. Sign off.